there are no one individual that are
Ready.
100% ready.
Oo I always hear that.
Yes.
I always
There's
hear that.
Parenting. Napakahirap ng parenting. Talagang kinailangan ko talaga yan aralin.
Pero ang worry ko, yung society natin, will this affect our society?
Implication yan sa economy kasi syempre mas kukonti ang magiging aging population tayo, no? So, pero sa mga para nabawi lang din kasi ang dami rin nating fertility rate nung pandemic eh. So,
Ay,
so
totoo.
parang ano lang, equal-equal lang. No?
Because you also mentioned the digital age. It's the digital age now. And parang for me, as like a Gen Zer, I also didn't think that I wanted kids at one point because I was so independent in myself. I was like, I can take care of myself. Like, why would I ever want to take care of another? Why would I put myself through that to take care of something else? And I feel like also because of the digital age, parang like there's a lot of people who are scared to date.
Talking about the digital age that we're pertaining about kanina, no, yung sinasabi niyo po na ngayon kasi medyo mas accessible na ang pagde-date, no? Mas mabilis na maghanap ng kadate unlike na irereto ka pa, hahanap ka pa, and so forth. But yes, it's accessible, but the building of actual relationship yung mas mahirap kasi you're meeting the other person,
Yeah.
seeing all the Instagram posts na okay, he or she is very nice, she's really pretty, pero pagka meet mo na, okay, so I don't prefer this kind pala, I prefer this much better, na medyo mas nagbibigay ng effort and so forth. Eh, hindi naman makikita yun sa digital side. Others like to have a child, others doesn't want, others is unplanned, others are planned, no? At the end of the day, if it gives purpose, kung may nagbibigay ng purpose yun sa buhay mo, if you're satisfied naman sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, then I think there's nothing wrong about it. But when it comes to people who have this feeling na of fear, no? Like example, I fear because maybe I cannot provide, I cannot give support, hindi ko nabibigay, hindi pa ako ready bilang magulang, hindi pa ako mature enough. There are no one individual that are
Ready.
100% ready.
Oo
I always hear that.
Yes.
I
There's
always hear
no-
that. Lalo na ako, di ba, at that time.
Yeah.
So, napakahirap ng parenting. Talagang kinailangan ko talaga yan aralin, i-research. Because it was such a baffle to me. I
Yeah.
was baffled kasi wala naman akong nakakabatang kapatid.
Pero ang worry ko, yung society natin, will this
Correct.
affect our society?
Anong magiging nito,
Effect nito.
consequence nito para sa ating lipunan?
May implication yan sa economy kasi syempre mas kukonti ang magiging aging population tayo, no? So wala mga bagong professionals that would come in kasi mas konti yung mga napoproduce. Pero sa mga para nabawi lang din kasi ang dami rin nating fertility rate nung pandemic eh. So
Ay,
so
totoo.
parang ano lang, equal lang, no? But kidding aside, I think what I give importance to kasi yes, we might be pressured by the society or I might be able to say na okay, sige kasi magkakaroon ng implication yan sa economy ng bansa. Sure, as a parenting expert, mas gusto ko na you would be more ready or you are ready to accept na okay, mag-aanak na ako kasi I'm ready to give the care, the time, the effort that the child needs compared sa ipipilit ko sa'yo kasi kailangan ng society at sundin mo yung mama mo na
Correct.
nagre-request sa'yo na magkaroon siya ng apo. Ayun.
Agree on that.
Correct.
Is
Kaya, go ahead, Jan.
Is there like, for those people who do feel the pressure and then become parents, is there a negative effect ba between the relationship between the parents and the kid?
Primarily, meron kasi tayong tinatawag na postpartum kung saan parang sometimes na-vent out natin sa little individual yung frustrations. Actually, the frustrations, well, partly hormonal siya. Majority of that emotion comes from hormonal imbalances, but majority of it can be altered by our support, yung pag-support natin, may it be the father, may it be the family all together. Siguro pagka antok na si mommy, baka mamaya po pwedeng mag-care of din si daddy. Siya rin magpadede, siya rin maghugas ng lampin.
Grabe. True.
Yeah. We don't need to set the standards na you're the mom, you should be the one who's taking care.
Yep.
At kung ano na pa.
Message for advice for younger generation who choose career-wise or career stability first before po sila magka-family.
the usual thing that I always recommend dun sa mga individuals that prioritize career, no, more than anything else. No, so syempre buhay mo 'yan. It's up to you whether you decide it or not. But what I want them to understand is dapat hindi siya motivated by the society din. Kasi baka mamaya
Yeah,
naman you're also
sure.
doing your work because of the pressure. Kasi sila, ayaw nila mag-anak, so dapat ako rin. Kasi sometimes, magkakaroon ka rin ng sense of regret in the future. What if
Yes.
gusto mo naman na? Tapos it would be difficult for you to have a child. So, it's more of a balance eh. You need to identify also why you choose to do the career. Ano ba siya? Life and death ba? Mawawala ba talaga tong career na to kapag hindi ka mag-aanak? Or pwede naman siya mag-antay?
Planning is important.
Yes.
No, talaga.
Yeah, actually, that's a good point because even though I don't know when I want to have kids, sabi ko that like I want to compete once more sa Miss Universe before I have
See?
kids. Like there's
Oh, right
goals I want to
plan.
achieve
Oo.
muna in my career milestones before having kids.
Tama. Get that out of the way. Para when you have a child na, you can, no regrets, and then you
Yes.
can put your full effort
Attention.
and
Yes,
attention.
true.
Kasi buhay yan eh.
True.
Diba?
True.
You can easily mess it up.
Correct.
If you don't give them the right guidance. Si Gwen...